Hello everyone, welcome back to Seals Design, and as we are wrapping up the 2023, I can't help but feel grateful for this woodworking and DIY community. Today I want to take a moment to reflect on the highlights, share all the good things that I worked on in 2023, and I want to also share with you guys the sneaky peek of the exciting plans that I have for 2024. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive in the 2023 journey. I tackled some challenging projects, I learned new techniques. Most importantly, I feel like I connected with you guys a little bit more. Whether it was a unique woodworking technique, or building a wall for the first time, or even a milestone to contribute to the incredible journey that I shared with you guys. Let's take a look of some of the projects, but some was more complicated than others, some I enjoyed more than others, but in the end, remember, after all, it's not about the finished product, it's about the process to get there. The year of 2023, our focus was home DIY. We bought a house in May, and the main floor was our priority because it was a common space and was the part of the house that has more to do, has more to be done. This is how our main floor looked like in May 2023. As you can see, nothing major bad happening here. It's pretty okay, but wasn't our style. To build walls to give more privacy, I knew that I would make messes. So as you can see, the storage, it's almost zero, right? It's been overall, the whole space wasn't not my style. So I was able to create a study room for Isaac. I built wall from scratch myself. I built some walls to kind of give a little bit more privacy, but still keep open. I added storage for the kitchen, add some very cool designs, close the gap in the wall, created storages, again, made the empty room more interesting, and create a vibe that makes us happier and warmer and cozier. So this is our style. It's definitely me and Isaac together, and we love to spend time at home. It's really hard for me now to get out of the house. And I think I added a lot of value to the house with everything that I work on. Every project that I'm sharing here has a dedicated video for each one of them in my channel. So don't forget to check it out after you're done if you didn't check yet. And my most enjoyable project of this year was the wine room. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened to me. I didn't record a good video to share here on YouTube or even on my Instagram. But was like, I don't know what happened, but was like the project itself was most enjoyable. I don't know if it was because it was a small project. After, building so many big things, sometimes it's good to go back to a small one. And after it's done, it's a very good project. I love open the wine room and get some wine and just enjoy the project. Like, it's so pretty inside. Least exciting project. It's funny because the least exciting project was the kitchen, okay, that I enjoy the least to make, okay. I don't know if it's because it was too much painting, and I don't like to paint cabinets. I don't enjoy painting. Of course, everything pretty much had painting because I paint a lot of walls and a lot of built-ins, but I really don't like to paint cabinets. But the kitchen the kitchen cabinet was my least favorite project. And the funny thing is the part of the house that I sit every night across the room, across the kitchen, and I stare at the kitchen, appreciating. And because it's my favorite project, was the least favorite project to make, to complete, but was more satisfying. I love how the kitchen turned out. I don't know if it's because it's the only room of the house that's 100% done, and everything else needs to have something, but the kitchen is definitely the heart of the house, right? So I love the kitchen. Now let's look ahead to 2024. I have been in 2023, pretty much my focus was DIY because, bought a house, I have to do all this fix it up in the house. But 2024, my goal and my focus will be in furniture, on woodworking, because we do need a lot of furniture for the house, and I'm so excited. I missed working in furniture, and my shop is set up, so I'll be able to do that right now. And we doesn't matter. And of course, in the middle, I probably going to, I'm going to add some DIY here and there, but I'm definitely going to be focusing more on the woodworking. I'm also open to suggestions, so feel free to drop in the comments below some very cool ideas of projects that I can do. And before we wrap up here, I want to express my sincere gratitude for each and every one of you. Your support, enthusiasm, and love for woodworking make this community very special. Whether you have been joined since the beginning of my woodworking journey, or if you just join us, thank you for being part of this. As we say goodbye to 2023, I am very excited for 2024. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. I cannot wait to share more tips, woodworking, and adventures with you guys next year. Until next time, happy woodworking.